Archer 121, contact departure 2395, see ya.
Contact departure, Archer 121. Bradley departure, good morning. Archer 33121, 1 mile north Brainerd, 1000, climbing 4.5.
Archer 33121, Bradley departure, radar contact a mile north of the Brainerd Airport, Bradley altimeter 2996.
2996, Archer 121.
Hey guys, Alex from Alpha Kilo Warrior today. If you like calm and relaxing flights with a bunch of clouds, this is the flight for you. The original plan was to fly to Sky Acres today, have a little breakfast. I had to change my plans up in the air because there was a layer of clouds underneath me, and I went over to Mount Washington in the upper northwest part of Connecticut, bottom western part of Massachusetts and New York. So listen to the controllers, how chill they were today. And if you enjoy this type of content, give me a like, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notifications, check out my other social media content. I'm on TikTok now, I got Facebook, Instagram, I'm always posting stuff. I love aviation, I love to have you aboard, thank you.
And approach Archer 121.
Archer 121, Bradley.
Approach Archer 121, I'd like to stay with you until the last possible minute. I do not want to go over to New York today.
November 33121, sorry, you were just blocked in my ear by someone talking on another frequency. You said you want me to hold on to you until the last possible second, I believe?
Yes, roger that. Please appreciate that. I do not want to go to New York approach today.
Okay, yeah, sounds good. I'll keep you.
Thank you, 121. I love mountains. Did I tell you guys that? If you follow this channel, you know I love mountains. So cool. Approach Archer 121. I'm going to loop around Mount Washington and see if I can get into Sky Acres this morning.
Archer 33121, roger. You want to stay with me or go on your own?
Traffic's pretty light. If can I stay with you for another 5 minutes?
Yeah, absolutely.
I appreciate it, approach 121.
Great track 289, just for the ease of the ATC system, next time if you guys do all these through clearances through airports and you actually don't land and pick up a new clearance, it's just easier if you guys file one and just make the clearance through Bradley, through Wyndham, and then back to Hartford. So just do a round robin and then we can keep you on the same code the entire time.
Okay, roger that. I was under the impression that we were not supposed to file round robin here, but I will definitely pass that along to everybody over at the training center. Crew check 289, thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah, no, it's much easier. Yes, whoever gave you that impression is wrong. It's a lot easier for us to do it this way instead. Otherwise, like if you see from my side, I have a tabular list of everybody who's coming in, and so I have 3 of your aircraft, and I just have to give you one each time. So if you do a through clearance, your flight plan doesn't drop out of the system. If you don't do a through clearance, the second that you fly through the airport, it drops out of the system, so I have to give you the new code because technically you're not in the system anymore.
Roger that. I appreciate it. It's much better for us too. Crew check 289, thank you.
That's what I figured. You're welcome.
And approach Archer 33121, thanks for the help today.
Archer 33121, you're welcome. I assume you're ready to go on your own. Radar service terminated. Squawk VFR. Frequency change approved. Take care.
See you, 121. Bradley approach Archer 33121, 5.5, 50 miles south of Gulf, Bravo, Romeo.
Back so soon?
Yeah, I'm Archer 121, not getting to Sky Acres today.
Roger that. Squawk 5225.
5225, Archer 121. Direct Hotel Foxtrot Delta, Archer 121.
Archer 121, roger. Your radar contact 30 miles west of Bradley. The Bradley altimeter 29907.
29907, Archer 121. And approach Archer 33121. I have Zulu at Brainerd requesting VFR descent.
Archer 33121, altitude your discretion.
Altitude my discretion, Archer 121, thank you. Approach Archer 121 has Brainerd in sight.
Archer 121, contact Brainerd Tower 119.6. Enjoy the rest of your day.
119.6, Archer 121, thank you, approach. Radar Tower, good morning. Archer 33121 Zulu, 5 miles southwest. Landing full stop.
33121, very good morning. The wind is calm, your choice. 20 is currently the active, but the wind is calm. What would you like, 2 or 20?
Archer 121, I'd like 20 because I got some altitude to burn off over here.
121, report a 2-mile final for runway 20.